kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome to Janiki's kitchen. Today I am going to make sambar powder, and the ingredients for making sambar powder are 2.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 5 to 6 dry red chilies or according to your taste, half tablespoon of Toor dal, half a tablespoon of Chana dal, half a tablespoon of Urad dal, a teaspoon of black pepper around 20 to 25, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'm going to make a fine powder of all these spices, and since it's not dry roasted, you have to cook it with other vegetables to get rid of raw smell of the spices while making sambar. So you can keep it in a shelf in an airtight container for about 3 to 4 months, or in a freezer for 12 months. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time with another new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.